Okay, so today we're gonna pair this rechargeable vacuum cleaner with a Henry desktop vacuum cleaner. So we're gonna do this test of cables to see if it sucks up pretty good. Alright, so let's start with Henry desktop vacuum cleaner on here. Alright, so as you can see, this one is complete clean sweep. So now we're gonna do this one. Okay, so this rechargeable vacuum cleaner picks up pretty good, just like a Henry desktop vacuum cleaner. So, which one's your favorite desktop vacuum cleaner? For me, it's gotta be Henry desktop vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more comparison vacuum cleaner videos, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Good luck!